Hi, this is Mithu and welcome back to my channel. Christmas, New Year, on holiday season. What is the best time to show smoky eyes? I have created this look. I hope you enjoy this. So let's get started. My eyes are hooded eyes. For this eye type, smoky eyes kind of work perfect because having a sharp eyeliner makes it little difficult. Though my eyebrows are sparse and fine, yet I need to tame them. I am using this beautiful kit from Loreal and with an angle brush, I am following my natural line and filling up the sparse areas of my eyebrows. From this corrector palette, I am using a concealer and cleaning up the areas. This will make my eyebrows sharp and clean. Plus, this will act as a base for my eyeshadows. Blending the concealer with a beauty blender and dusting with translucent powder. While applying kohl, if you notice, I am applying the whole bottom line but halfway to the top eyelid because I wanted the inner corner to be a little lighter than the outer corner. With the angle brush, I am going over with the kohl I have applied. This will help to smudge the line with a little bit of precision. Without taking any more product, I am spreading the kohl with the same brush little bit towards my crease. Now packing the black eyeshadow on top of this kohl from my Coastal Scents 88 color palette. Once I am satisfied with the depth of the color, I am applying this mauve brown shade as a transition color. This will give that gradient effect. As a highlighter, I am using Vanilla from M.A.C. This is a color pigment which can be used as a highlighter for brow bones, your cheekbones, and it's a lovely color. Lightly blending the eyeshadow and mascara, and I'm applying eyelashes. And there you have my smoky eyes. So, this is the final look. I do hope you enjoy this look. Those who are new, I am Mithu and I create beauty and makeup tutorials. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.